Hi, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. We were hired by this client in Mulberry, Florida, and we have to reorganize, cleaning, sanitize, folding all the clothes. There is a lot of dust from top to bottom. This is a deep cleaning. Hilda already sprayed this product. We are in the kitchen. This is a small apartment, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. She already sprayed everything inside the oven. She needs to do the oven, and she needs to do the refrigerator inside. After cleaning, we are gonna disinfect and deodorize. In this house, there is 2 bathrooms. There is all the clothes that was it was inside the laundry. Comienza a spray. It was inside the laundry that we have to fold and check all the drawers inside the master bedroom to see where goes where. This client, most of our clients don't tell us nothing. They just want a magic pill and everything clean, organized, sanitized, everything wonderful. But they don't ask us exactly what to do, or they don't tell us where the things belong. They assume that we are, I don't know, magician, professionals.
We are not magicians, but we are the best.
Yes.
The best.
So we have a lot of experience. First of all, Hilda and Carlos are folding the clothes. Juan Carlos, before touching the bathroom, because he's in bad condition, I asked him to disinfect, previously cleaning. Usually we clean first and then we disinfect, but in this case we're gonna disinfect and clean for us, and then we are gonna disinfect for them, especially the bathroom. Okay, muy bien, spray everything. And this is the little master bedroom. This is an apartment. There is some hangers that they need to put the clothes inside the closet. The house has 2 cats, so the odor is not that horrible, because it's not, but it's not that strong, but it has a smell. A lot of dust. We use mask. The mini blinds, dusty, horrible. Spray the mini blinds. So we are gonna open all the drawers and rearrange and fold properly everything. This is a deep cleaning. Spray really good all the blinds. Muévelos, Juan Carlos, por favor. A lot of dust. Cut here. Eso es lo que quiero, señora. Señora, usted que es más rápida, vaya a los drawers and check where goes where, because we don't know. And this client don't tell us exactly what to do, so check it out. Acá, el closet y los drawers. Y fíjate cómo va como casa. This is the ceiling fan. This is like a heavy duty deep cleaning. Let's see if I can zoom. We are using protections. Sigue por ahí. And Juan Carlos is disinfecting the area because we want to work and at least we protect ourselves. This product doesn't have a smell. This product is safe to use around kids, around pets, and it will be safe for us. Yeah. Michi. Okay, another thing is I bring this vacuum. This vacuum is especially to remove pet hair from the carpet. So this is the reason why I bring the clear track the way, or most people recognize this vacuum as a workhorse. Yeah, kitchen area and everything. So this is a deep cleaning, walls. You may think it's not that heavy, but it is. Sometimes in a video you cannot recognize that. That's it. Okay, this is the one of the little cats. Oh, baby. Sí, todo. And this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. I'm gonna make another video in the process. Thank you for watching. Bye. Oh, I didn't record the bathroom. Ya, dile a Juan Carlos.
Para.
Okay, this is the cat litter. We already sprayed the toilet. And this is the condition of the bathroom. Remember that everything that you see in video is not the real stuff. What you mean is, I see it dirtier than what you see in a video. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay. I just asked Hilda why the ceiling fan beside the pet hair and beside the dirt, beside the grease, why is yellow? And she answered the correct answer. It's nicotine. The people that live here smoke, and that's a nicotine. That's a yellow spot. I don't know if I can zoom a little bit more. So you must be aware of that and how you remove the nicotine with the greaser. Supposedly they smoke outside, but they smoke inside. So. Huh? Vapor. Okay, I'm gonna start vacuum a little bit, and then Carlos is gonna clean the ceiling fan from top to bottom with the ladder. But just I'm removing right now all the pet hair. Let me take out the vacuum. We bring our vapor steamer. It's charging because we need to clean the mini blinds with the vapor steamer. Hilda is taking out all the clothes from the drawer, and she's folding everything, and she already put all the cleaning products inside the kitchen. So the first step is organizing, declutter, throw away any kind of garbage, and then do the kitchen. That's the last step. Juan Carlos is already disinfect for us the bathroom. He removed this vent. I couldn't record that, but he cleaned it really good. And he's taking out all the bad silicone and cleaning with a magic eraser and scrub all the surface. A lot of pet hair and dirt. A small apartment, but a lot of things to do. I'm gonna offer him to start cleaning the carpets. The carpets are in really bad shape. I don't know if he's gonna want that service, but the carpet is horrible. It's in really bad shape. I really think that with a really good vacuum, it will improve. However, a steam cleaning is necessary in this apartment. I don't know if he ever wants that service. So many things to record and do. So let me start helping them, and I'm gonna contact you again. Okay, I'm gonna make another video. Bye.